Welcome back, mate. Good morning. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope having a great weekend. A little after 10 a.m. We're doing a little Sunday updates just because of what's happening in the market. Kind of get prepared. I'll probably send out a newsletter update tonight for the week. Kind of what to expect with the week. We got some things coming up. Economic. Obviously, there's political issues with Ukraine. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff in that part of the world that are impacting the markets here. And a lot of people are just just the uncertainty. It's not like it's anything, like I said before in the Bitcoin video. Check that out. I'll link that in the upper right-hand corner. It's not like it's like any kind of FUD, like it's causing a dump in cryptocurrency. It's more of a gradual decline as support barriers are being broken now. You see with Bitcoin broke 2 support barriers. You can see here, we talked about this and warned of this going into the weekend with these low volume scenarios. Is we broke through here at 2,800. Okay, talked about that. It was the last video I did, middle of the week. Okay, we've been down ever since. If you look at it since the 16th of February on the 4-hour, Ethereum has been red for 3 days. Okay, and so you've got to factor that into at some point, right? You're falling through, and the next support level right here at 2,600 level is coming up. Now we've hit 2 wicks here, which is positive, 2 wicks, and people bought it back up. So that is short-term positive, okay? But you got to keep an eye on it because if we break this line here, we're obviously under our 7 and 21, okay? The 7-day is 26.98. So we're in that level right now. We're about 40 basis points or 50 basis points under that. If we can get back above that by tonight, going into Monday, maybe there'll be a little bit of reprieve. If not, we're going to fall down here. Let's go back. Again, this support level was built in on the 3rd of February. We're going to go back here. If that breaks at 2,600, the next support level is 2,510. Okay? And you're going to test that again. And if you go even further back with Ethereum, you're looking at, look at the drop. Okay? Keep going back. Look at the drop. Below this next level, then this is the support level. January 28th, 2,400. Okay? So that's what we have in store for us for Ethereum coming up. When you're looking at the RSI levels here, we're definitely in the accumulation zone, okay? Definitely. We're at an RSI of 20. All right? Again, like I said with Bitcoin, if you bought Ethereum in 2021, every time Ethereum fell below an RSI of 20, you're doing just fine, okay, on your rate of return. You could have gotten out at different rates of return. And that's a really good spot trading strategy that I try to teach people and mentor people. Is like, look, you don't need to chase anything in crypto. You don't need to be part of the herd, okay, in order to make profitable gains in cryptocurrency. In fact, it's better be the contrarian guy or gal who buys Bitcoin and buys Ethereum for hodling purposes, pull off the exchange and stick in your wallet with a long-term view. And every time Bitcoin falls below into that accumulation zone, especially if it falls below 20. Okay, what I tell people is, if you have a strategy, I know I'm working with one mate now. He has a strategy where as soon as Bitcoin falls below RSI 30, he puts $50 into Bitcoin. As soon as Bitcoin falls below 20, he puts $100 into Bitcoin. Okay, and so he's basically dollar costing averaging his entries at Bitcoin when everybody else is selling. Okay, and thus far, he's already he's way up for the year. He started it in January, second week of January. So he's been through 3 declines. Now this is the 4th decline in Bitcoin. Okay, and so you can do the same thing with any one of your tokens. Any of your tokens. Is I instill in people, don't chase valuation, trade behavior. Okay, other people selling, driving it to an oversold level, which is where we're at right now relative to everything else in the market, is a buying opportunity if you're a hodler. Now, you've got to be able to understand that you're not trying to time the market top or bottom, that you're a long-term hodler. Like if you bought Ethereum at 238 or at 700 last year, right? I mean, that's how it works.